your girl is back, okay? And we just gonna get into it. We about to make these Halloween Rice Krispie Treats, okay? First, get your box of Rice Krispie cereal, okay? Then right here I have 2 bags of marshmallows, okay? And then we have our 2 kits right here for our pumpkins and our bats, okay? We about to get into it. And make sure you have pans. Right here I have 2 pans because I'll be making 2 batches of Rice Krispie Treats. Let's get into it. Oh, I can't believe it, y'all. I done forgot about the butter. You can't forget about the butter. You need the butter, okay? You need the butter. Right here, okay? In this batch, I only had used 1 stick of butter, okay? 1 stick of butter each batch, okay? And we just melted the butter down. You want to melt it down before you put your Rice Krispie marshmallows in there. Okay? And look at this marshmallowy goodness, okay? And we're over here. I'm just stirring it up, because I want to make sure the marshmallows are all melted before I pour in the cereal. Okay? Look at that. It looks so good. Oh, boom. Look at this right here. Okay, all we did was add our orange sprinkle, okay, in there. And baby, this is how our pumpkins came to life. Period. Okay. Oh, look at here. Okay, I'm just mixing up the cereal, with the marshmallow mixture. I'm just making sure everything is evenly coated because we don't want to dry Rice Krispie Treats. Oh, and look, it's all in a pan all nice and stuff. And we're just like, hey, yo, what's up? It's your girl, Nicole, and I'm back with another video. As you can see, okay, we got a special guest. What's your name? Oh, she gave y'all her whole government. But we just gonna call her Brookie Boo. That's what I call her, okay? You know what I'm saying? And as y'all can see, we finally got to this level to make Halloween Rice Krispie Treats, okay? And I just want to let y'all know, well, this is for everybody. Well, maybe coming soon could be for everybody, but if you were in, California, the Bay Area, and you were trying to get your sexy back, okay? My cousin can help you out, her information will be in the description box below, if you know what I mean. Okay. So y'all, we about to get into these Halloween Rice Krispie Treats. Oh, was you pinching me? Oh, how you gonna pinch me? I helped you with the treats, girl. Oh my goodness, y'all see her pinching me? Girl, okay, so we gonna get into the pumpkin. We gonna do the pumpkins? Yeah. All right. Okay, Brookie. So you take the we got a pumpkin cookie cutter. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, probably stand up, baby.
Gotta do it the hard way first, okay? Here, you come close to cousin. No, you gotta stand up.
You gotta stand up, Mom.
You gotta stand up. Come here.
You got hiccups?
I know she got hiccups, y'all. Sorry. I'm telling y'all sorry. It ain't my fault she got the hiccups. She made herself laugh. Okay. So let's put it in the Krispie Treats like this.
Don't touch your face and then touch that.
Come on, help cousin press it.
Press down on it.
Come on, help cousin press it. Ooh, sookie. Y'all, we make these things thick, y'all. And so we all push. Ooh! Hey. Okay. Let's see. I should have had a knife so I could have pulled it out. Whoops. Yep, knife's up, y'all. So we can get up out. Ooh, this is. You excited?
Yeah.
Yeah? Oh, good. We got some pumpkin treats. We got some pumpkin treats. Ooh, girl, they're gonna be excited at your school, girl. Yes! Black folks, we always like a nice butter knife setter, that is. Okay, you do got the hiccups, my poor little bud. It's still a little gooey, but they're gonna be 8, so y'all already know what it is. Gonna be 8. Oh! Got a little pumpkin out. Okay.
Now can we do the bat?
You want to do the bat too? Yeah. Can we do another pumpkin before we do the bat?
Yeah.
Okay, she's gonna do the pumpkins over here. All right, come on, let's get our bats. Yeah. Let's get our bats. Okay.
I do it too.
Yep, you gonna help me with cousin. Oh.
I'm helping.
Yes, you are. It's like a bat. This is Batman one.
Wow. That's scary. What's scary is the bat here.
The bat is scary?
Yeah, but some scary
Ooh, okay. Put the back here.
Yeah.
Okay, look at the little bat. That's like the Batman logo. Ah.
Cause when you scared, the bat comes.
The bat, it's okay. The bat ain't gonna get us. And if the bat come, cousin will fight the bat so they won't get you, okay?
Yeah, cause you have to kick a bat.
I gotta kick the bat? Oh, you already know.
Yeah.
I'll kick the bat down. You know, you heard? You heard? I kicked the bat down. They trying to mess with my brookie.
Somebody's shaking it. My mom's shaking this table. They do another bat.
Hold on, girl. I'm looking at that first bat.
I was looking at it too, like.
Wait, girl. Okay, here. Oh. Woo. Yeah.
Look at this.
Come on.
There's a monster here.
There ain't no monster, girl. Woogly woo. Yeah, come on, girl. Help us out, girl. Yeah, I'm a back bag.
Can you help Mama?
Yeah, mama helping, girl. We doing the bats and the pumpkins. We doing the bats. Yes. Come on, bat. These some thick Rice Krispie Treats. I shouldn't have made them so thick. I should have just spread an even layer out thin. All right, are you ready to start the decorations of the bats and the pumpkins? Okay.
Where did
so,
the things go?
the eyeballs? We got the
No,
eyeballs.
the
over there.
things. Y'all don't need the things to look at how to.
Girl, we about to have free ball.
Decorations.
Free ball! Yeah, we about to decorate, girl. And mama, okay, so we gonna do a pumpkin, okay? I'm gonna show you, and then you gonna do what you do. Oh, dang, cousin should have cut them. All right, we got no scissors. Whoopsie!
Oopsie.
Scissors. Mm-hmm.
You could cut it with your hands, yeah.
I can't cut it with my hand. I need scissors. I ain't gonna do that. That was so ratchet, y'all. I'm sorry. I tried it. I was about to say, ha! You know, we're not gonna do that. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna get the scissors, okay? But Mama's gonna get the scissors. Until then, you want to show the people a little dance break? You want to give them a little, hey, oh,
Yeah.
get it?
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah.
get it? Oh.
High five, guys. Boom.
Oh, that's so nice. You're giving them high fives. That's so nice, girl. Give me some. Yeah. All right. Okay, so the pumpkins, you know what we gonna do? We gonna do some eyes, and we gotta do a mouth, and then we gotta do a little stem and a little bottom for the pumpkin. Okay. We got a little scissors. All right. So let's do the face first. Okay. So cousin gonna cut it.
Mommy almost yours.
Yeah. Okay. So let's see. Let's start with this one. Okay.
Okay, that was showing
Should
me.
put on some gloves. This stuff is sticky.
I know, like sticky. Okay, so let's draw the face. Okay, we're gonna prop it up like this. Okay, so what kind of eyes? We're gonna do triangle eyes, or you just want dot eye?
Dot eye.
You want dot eye? Okay. So we're gonna do
Dot eye.
you do a little dot eye like this. Ooh. Little dot eye, yeah. We'll give it a little spooky. Little spooky eye, huh? Give it a little spooky, like ooh, 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 ooh.
The other eye has to be up and the other eye has to be down.
You want cross eye, okay. It's a little different.
This bat looks deformed.
It's okay.
Nigga.
Bats up, they gonna eat these bats today, okay?
Yeah.
Okay, let's do you want a crooked smell like this?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's so excited.
I know. Ooh,
Thank you, cousin.
you welcome, baby case. He got a okay, now you gonna do the I'm gonna show you how to do the stem part, and then you gonna color the stem, okay?
Okay.
Okay. So we just gonna
do the hair.
Just gonna do the hair like that. Just a little bit. Woo-woo.
I want the hair cookie.
We can't use all this on one thing. We got a lot of pumpkins to go. Gotta preserve, girl. Gotta preserve. Yeah, see, we got a little green. Boop, boop.
My almost done with your back.
Yes, ma'am.
Now let's give it a little bottom part. You wanna help me press it?
Yeah.
Help me press it. Yeah, there we go. Yeah, let's give it a little squiggle wiggle. Mommy over there, she got to turn it to a strong back.
Yeah.
Ooh, there we go. Ooh, girl, go ahead. You did a pumpkin. Go ahead. Hey, that's what I'm talking about.
High five, guys. Boom.
That's right, y'all. She did her pump. We did a little pumpkin. Okay,
Yeah,
a pumpkin.
yeah,
We got our
did it.
first little pumpkin, okay?
And win.
Cute.
How do y'all feel? How do you feel? You excited?
Yeah.
You got your first little pumpkin?
Yeah.
Hey!
That's
No.
it. That's it.
Boop!
Boop. And your hands are sticky.
I know, because of the Rice Krispies to make it sticky. Yeah, it's okay. It's okay, sticky butt.
Guys. Ah!
I gave him a little dance break.
So look
Now
at
you're trying to do a bat?
Oh, bats up. All right, girl, come on, ladies. We're going to do our little bat. Little bat, man. We got our eyeballs for them.
eyeball. We need the eyeball.
Yeah, so the bats can see.
And then we need the eyes.
That eyeballs is the eyes. Okay. Let's do a bat.
Do the bad, you do our bad. And you have to work
Okay.
because I'm going to do who?
Okay, so a little bat. We're just going to drizzle. You want to help me drizzle?
Yeah.
Okay, help me push. Wait, I can't. No, I can't see, girl. You got to be up here. Be up here, right here in the middle. Yeah, okay, come on. Squeezy, squeezy. We're just going to try to drizzle. There you go. That's what I'm talking about, boo boo. Yes, sir. It's like a little chocolatey bat. Okay, let's go back. Yeah.
It's so hard up here.
I know it's hard.
Because
Okay, let's see. Like that. Maybe we might have to, do a little, we might have to do a little,
It's so hard up there. Oh, my
might have to
hands.
do, your hands was
Yeah.
hurting.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, no, not your hands, boy. Not your hands. Okay, a little spooky.
Oh, I forgot.
Oh, but I need these for those. A little spooky. We got a little eyeballs.
Eyeballs full.
Little eyeballs, okay. I'll give you the eyeball. You place the eyeballs. Oh, okay. Okay, take an eyeball. Okay, you gotta put it up in there. Ooh, spooky eye.
Now the other one?
Yep, you put, I think it's 2 eyeballs. Not unless you want to have one. Some have one, some can be, cross-eyed. It's okay. Yes, sir. There we go. Hey, we got a spooky, ookie, cookie.
We tricky treats all our stuff, but you don't have to help us because we didn't let you to help.
That's right. She said we need y'all to help. This is the finished product of Brooklyn Rose's Rice Krispie Halloween Treats. I know, yeah, he got an eyeball.
Yeah.
She wants y'all to see that. He got one eyeball and the other eyeball. Icing eyeball, I should say.
No, but I'm sure I'm going to.
But look at them. Don't they look nice? Brooklyn, you did a good job, girlfriend. With the help of Mommy and Mike. Or you did that, Brooklyn, girl. So you're going to take these to school and give them to your friends. We got little bats with eyeballs and pumpkins.
Oh, good. These the bats for you?
No, you're taking these to school. That's for school.
That's the bats for school and the pumpkins for school?
No, yeah, you taking bats and pumpkins to school. That's for all your friends at school.
Mm.
Yeah.
so I'm
tired, okay? So, as always, y'all, make sure y'all comment, like, subscribe, share the video.
But subscribe to your channel. Bye, guys.
She said subscribe to our channel. Hey, okay, y'all. Y'all, my little cousin had to go to sleep, okay? So, she couldn't do the outro with us, you know what I'm saying? But, I'll put a little peek in there, so y'all can see her, before she had to go to sleep, okay? Because she has to go to school in the morning, okay? Period. Okay, you know what I'm saying? But as always, y'all, tell me, how did y'all enjoy this video? Okay, if you talk to me, I talk back. Okay, but just make sure you talk to me nice. Period. Okay, nothing but positive vibes over here. And tell me how y'all liking these cooking videos. I'm gonna just be dropping them here and there. Okay, I'm telling y'all, for all y'all, that say y'all can't cook or all of that, you can cook. There is an inner chef in you. You know what I'm saying, okay? Cooking is easy, okay? As long as you put your best foot forward and you put love into your food will be good, period, okay? And if you watch your girl's videos, okay, you will be a better cook. I'm trying to tell you, y'all, okay? But y'all, follow your girl on all social media platforms. The links will be in the description box below. Make sure, you tell a friend, tell your aunties, tell your cousins, okay? The mailman, you know what I'm saying? Tell everybody at your school, to come over here and subscribe to your girl's channel and follow me, okay? And until next video, y'all, peace.